Jean Johnson, reporting live from Oak Park, Illinois. February 2nd, 2011, Groundhog Day. Look, the groundhog saw a shadow this morning, everybody. Only 4 more years. 6 more weeks of this. I am standing across the street from my house. That's where my pool is in the summer. It's me, about 20 Oak Park cops, and a guy with the biggest snowblower I think I've ever seen. It is literally deserted out here, although here comes a plow probably. You can see the headlights in the distance. It's a total whiteout. You literally can't see anything. I could stand in the middle of the street and you can't see anything. Wow, doesn't this look so great right now? Oh yeah, some idiot in an SUV. There's a plow. Here's another idiot in an SUV. Why can't people just stay in their house? Except for me, of course, because I'm reporting live from the scene. I'm looking for injuries. I'm looking for people that may need mouth-to-mouth, people that may need CPR. What can I do to help? I'm here to serve the residents of OPRF. Well, I'm signing off for now. This is Jean Johnson reporting live from Oak Park in the blizzard of 2011.